trying to get rid of those layers with not central government. And there was a couple of presentations. One was from a very interesting chap from Solom, who's putting in submissions into central government, re the local government form. Now, what does Solom stand for? Solom? Yeah, acronym. And then also another interesting presentation was done by Langley, who's the CEO for Thames, is it Haraki, on their cycle walk trail and how they've joined forces with other districts, because it runs right through other districts, and how they're trying to form a trust and a web page that helps support rather than self-funded. So that there could be synergies in that we can work on ourselves with South Waikato and into the Taupo District as well, and wherever else it goes. And then, as I mentioned before in the council meeting, I got invited by Mayor Sue Morris to attend a council meeting over in Tamarunua it was, even though I went to Pembrey because I got two offices. And that was very interesting, and really enjoyed that, just the synergies of Ruapehu district and our own district, and they were reviewing their annual plan as well, and lines companies came up quite prominent in the beginning of that discussion, just to meet the other councillors. So yeah, that's me.
Councillor Craig? Yeah, the usual ones, mobility access. Went to the new mayor luncheon that Cheryl organised, and that was a wonderful luncheon with all those new mayors. Had to revise school child French and how to talk to them. Kinloch's Community Association, I go there every month. The Youth Awards, I judged the Youth Awards and went there, and I echo what Councillor Downer and Councillor Hickling have said. It was a great hard job to judge all those different people. I sort of oversaw the whole judging panel. And then the summit, and just adding to what cycling summit, adding what you just said, Mike, we've got 5 of these national cycleways in our district, and I think we got over the message that they have got great economic impact on our district, and I think we got that message across the destination they Taupo, and they were quite gobsmacked with different opportunities we have in our district for setting up subsidiary interests. That's me.
On holiday soon.
Okay.
Attended the 2012 Trust Car Community Awards, had 2 citizenship ceremonies. It's a quiet month on my front.
Councillor Johnson?
Trust Car Awards, Lyra House monthly trust meeting, and survived a trip to progress today.
Okay, well, thank you very much. There's a resolution on the page there. We will ignore part 1 of the resolution because we're moving that to the next council meeting. Number 2, that all reports from members be received. Number please. Move Councillor Downer. Second, Councillor Kirk. All in favour, say aye. 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 Okay. Right, well, we come to that part.